Soil erosion by water, rainfall induced, is one of the primary causes underlying land degradation. The scope of this use case is to generate C-factor for a specific area of interest. The first step is to find and select the data as an input to the model. A user via knowledge graph shall find the Sentinel-2 data sources. The data needed are Sentinel-2 L2A, band 2, 10M, Sentinel-2 L2A, band 3, 10M, and Sentinel-2 L2A, band 4, 10M. For each data source, a user selects the area of interest in the advanced settings and the time duration to fit the needs. The next step to use the data sources is to add it in a specific workflow and add functionalities through the workflow editor. When the workflow editor is completed, the user selects to start and then publish the workflow. The results of a workflow can be visualized on map. First, navigate to the map visualization in the menu on the left and then select the workflow on top. From here, you can choose the data file to be visualized. The data results of a workflow can be also visualized as charts of figures.